In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on files in Google Drive using a computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clear, contextual comments in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides so you can collaborate smoothly with your team. First, open a web browser and go to drive.google.com. Using the official URL ensures you're in the right place, and most modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work well. If you're not signed in already, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the file you want to comment on, especially if you work with multiple accounts. If you only have view access, you might not be able to add comments, so it's helpful to check your permissions if you run into issues. Next, locate and open the file in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides where you want to leave a comment. You can double-click the file in your Drive to open it. Once the document, spreadsheet, or presentation is open, decide exactly what you want to comment on. Select the text, cell, or object that your comment should refer to. In Docs, click and drag to highlight the specific words or sentences. In Sheets, click the cell that needs feedback. In Slides, select the image, shape, or text box. A precise selection keeps your comment anchored to the right place and makes it easier for others to understand your feedback. Now, right-click the selected area. This opens a context menu that gives you quick options related to your selection. From that menu, click Comment. A comment box will appear next to your selection, often on the right side in Docs or near the selection in Sheets and Slides. If the comment option is unavailable, it may indicate that you don't have commenting permissions on the file. Type your comment in the comment box. Keep it clear and specific, so your collaborators know exactly what you're referring to and what action you're suggesting. You can reference the selected content in your message to avoid confusion and maintain a professional, helpful tone. When you're ready, click Comment to post it. Your comment will attach to the selection, and anyone with access to the file and the appropriate permissions will be able to read it and reply. You can revisit your comment later to edit it, add clarification, or resolve it once the issue has been addressed. That's it, simple and effective. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.